snow in a while, even though our total for the season is over 9.5 inches. Remember, 9.2 of that came on that Veterans Day snowstorm back in November 11th. The year-to-date average for this point, 2.2 inches. So we're well above that, 7 inches above average. But it has been 24 days since we have seen significant snowfall. We've seen a tenth or two here, but as far as the inch-plus stuff, it's been more than 3 weeks, and it looks like it may be a lot longer. Most of the moisture in the country has really been pushed to the south, right along the Gulf. It starts to surge a little bit further north as we get into Friday. We've got that chance of some light snow here, but again, similar to these systems we've seen in the past, not going to amount to anything. Then it gets pushed further south, bounces up with a little bit more force as we get into Monday. That's when we're expecting to see some soaking rain here in southern portions of Michigan before the dry air takes over again. But as we look forward into Sunday and Monday, you can see how that rain is really going to start to envelop the area. So most of Monday is going to be a washout. At least it's not the snow that they're seeing up north. You can see it's consistently blue there. Even though we may get a little bit on the tail end of that system, they're going to get 6 inches plus here in northern parts of lower Michigan. The thumb and into northern Sanilac County, you may be getting at least some noticeable accumulations. Again, this is going to be Tuesday morning if it happens. The rest of us, we're talking another couple tenths at best, and that's if we see that at all. Wind chills tomorrow morning, similar to what we've been walking out the door to in mornings past this week. 23 in Detroit. Most of us are going to be in the 20s in the south and metro zone, but there will be teens for wind chills in the west zone tomorrow morning. 18 in Howell, 17 in Clarkston. Fenton, you're going to wake up to 16, and a lot more teens for wind chills in the north zone tomorrow as well, as those gusty winds, which have reached 30 miles per hour at times today, are going to stay with us tonight. Air temperatures 27, high side tomorrow, still not 40. We've got to wait until Sunday afternoon, but we're going to be flirting with 50 there on Sunday and Monday.
If you've waited to get